What are the best ElevenLabs promo codes available? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want the best ElevenLabs promo codes, where you got the solution. First of all, tap open any of your preferred browser and the first website would be Coupon Snake. From here, you can search for ElevenLabs 100% verified codes. Tap on any one that you want to use, which should take you to the official website, and while checking out, the coupon code will be get in as well. Likewise, next on the list we have 10-year team. On this, search for ElevenLabs and here you get different types of working codes that you can use. Just tap on any of them that you want to use as per your interest and you should be able to use it while you are checking out. Likewise, third on the list we have Deal Spot. Hereby, you can search for ElevenLabs and you'll get different kinds of promo codes that is available for the month of August currently. From here, just tap on Activate Deal and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.